Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Euro Truck Simulator 2 for free on your PC or laptop. The process is pretty simple. Just follow the steps that I am going to share in this video and you will be able to do it. First of all, go to google.com and type Steam. Don't worry, we are not going to buy this game. We are going to download it for free. Click on the welcome to Steam and ensure you have Steam application installed on your PC or laptop. If you don't have it, simply click on the download button and install Steam. Once you have installed Steam, go to the categories section and click on demos. On this page you will see various games available for free. Scroll down until you find Euro Truck Simulator 2. Click on it and you will land on a new page specifically for the game. On this page, scroll down and click on the download button. Already have a Steam account, you will need to create one. After that, download and install Steam. Log in and follow the instructions to install the game. The game is around 11 GB, so once the installation is complete, you will be ready to play. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.